It's October 3rd, Mean Girls Day, so let's see when the limit does not exist. Well, first, when does a limit exist? Well, a limit exists if the limit coming from the left and from the right match, if they're approaching the same value. So let's take a look at this example. We're looking for the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus 2. As x approaches 0 from the left, I see that the y value is approaching 2. And as x approaches 0 from the right, I also see that the y value is approaching 2. These values match, so the limit exists. And we can write it like this. The limit coming from the left and from the right match, so we say the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus 2 is 2. Now, what about this one? We're looking for the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x, where we have a point discontinuity. Now, with limits, they do not care about what happens at the point. They care about what happens near the point. So as x approaches 3 from the left, we see that we're approaching 5. And as x approaches 3 from the right, we also see that we're approaching 5. So their limits match, so the limit exists. We say the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x, where f of x is defined like this, is 5. Now, here was the problem given to Cady Heron at the end of the movie, and we can see graphically why the limit does not exist, because the limits as x approaches 0 from the left and from the right do not match. Now, how she was able to do this in that short amount of time is beyond me and my skills.